with 100 plus?
Yes, please.
Right.
Oh, say, wait a minute.
Yes, sir?
You know, I'm not a regular Flying A customer.
Well, I guess there's still a few around who aren't yet.
Well, we got kind of curious about all this advertising, you know, on the radio and newspapers about a Paris holiday sweepstakes. Can you tell us about it?
Well, I sure can. It's quite a deal, too. Hey, Al, take care of this car, will you? Fill her up with 100 plus.
Okay.
And check under the hood.
Sure will.
Now, all you have to do is fill out this blank with your name and address so we can read it. Now, that's all. We take care of it from there.
That's all? No puzzle? Nothing to write? 25 words or less?
Not a thing.
Well, how much gas do you have to buy to enter this thing?
Well, not a drop. You don't have to buy anything to enter the sweepstakes, although we hope you will. And remember, you can enter as often as you like every time you come in here. There'll be 25 drawings, one each week starting now.
You mean there's more than one winner?
You bet, a whole plane full of them.
A whole plane?
That's right. A winning couple every week from now until October.
Oh, that's pretty good odds.
Yes, sir. So you fill out that entry blank and maybe I'll be seeing you on the plane.
Oh, are you going?
Well, if you go, I go. As every dealer who has a winning customer gets a trip to Paris for two for himself.
Well, it sounds like a great idea.
How will we know if we do win?
Well, we'll notify you by mail. The more times you enter, the better your chances are. And if you're among the many lucky winners, we'll all be boarding an Air France jet plane in November and fly away to spend 5 days in Paris with Flying A picking up the tab.
An intimate cocktail party in a famous artist's studio high above Paris. Then a late-night supper deep in the heart of Montmartre. Then a private showing of fashions by Christian Dior. It all happens when you go to Paris as the guest of Tidewater Oil Company and its Flying A service stations. Every week, Flying A is giving away free trips to Paris, all expenses paid for you and your guests. It's not a contest, nothing to buy. And you'll see Paris inside and out, not like a tourist, but like a native Parisienne. The #1 table at Moulin Rouge. A boat trip up and down the Seine. Magnifique! What a wonderful week you'll have in Paris. Visit your Flying A dealer now. You may fly away with Flying A. Free to Paris.
Last call to board the Flying A special flight to Paris. Last call for the Flying A special flight to Paris.